This is a camp that is sponsored through our robotics program here at ECISD in conjunction with UTRGV. We decided that the students needed an experience with a different type of engineering to learn more about the engineering process of robotics. Currently, right now, the students are learning to develop a rocket through instruction provided by an actual engineering professor.
So the project, the camp, I think was beneficial because for one, we allowed the students to work together as a group, which is a very, very important aspect of, I guess, really any profession. In addition, we allowed the students to test their designs as they went through the engineering design process, and they got to witness their successes and their failures, and finally come back and discuss those results, communicate the results.
This activity is very, very beneficial to our students. Not only does it teach them about problem-solving skills, we all need problem-solving skills in the regular world, and they can apply these skills in everyday life to solve problems. But really, this is geared for academics, math, science, analytical thinking, higher order thinking skills, collaboration, teamwork.
Hopefully they see that there is a bridge, or there can be a bridge between STEM-related fields and also the fine arts. So one of the things that we encouraged here in the camp was for the students to be creative, share their ideas and share those. And so we did see a lot of the creativeness in their designs. So hopefully, these students go on their way and pursue engineering degrees or pursue the field. Hopefully, they get a respect of the idea that when they're practicing engineering, they should practice art.